Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another episode of The Good, the Bad, the Spammy, where we dissect live sales emails that we have received and improve them, see how we can make them better, or give some shout outs to really good tactics. So if you've seen these before, welcome back. If not, welcome, and let's get into it. So here we have an email that was addressed to one of our digital marketing managers over here, Rita. And first off, this subject line, I actually like this one. The only thing I would probably change is oftentimes when people receive an email, very rarely do they have an email saying their first name in it. So it's already kind of having that sales email vibe with Rita, quick question, or Jack, quick question. Some people like it, but it is something that I've heard that sometimes can put you in an odd spot where most often it's not going to be a really good play, but I've also heard differently. So here, I think if anything, I would probably take out Rita's name and just say quick question or quick thought, something like that. Quick, concise, engaging, and also it's pretty vague, which I really like about this. So it's going to encourage that person to open it and explore it further and see what this email is entailing. The first line here, I've been following Mixmax for a while, love your approach. This is totally fine. I actually don't mind this, but I will call out that I catch my reps sometimes doing this. I even catch myself doing this. In my emails, we always want to make it about the prospect. So try to eliminate as many I's as you possibly can. So here, it's totally fine, actually. I love your approach to branding. That's fair. But a lot of times we hear, I thought this was relevant for you. I wanted to see, I would love to get a meeting with you. Try to eliminate that as much as possible and make it more about them because it just sounds it's all in it for you and it's about you when it really should be about the prospect. So, something to keep in mind as you're about to hit send and keep in mind all the eyes that you're throwing in there. Is it more about them? So moving on, she goes on to say that her product here is actually something related to animated videos, helps sales reps explain features of their product in a more engaging way. Love hearing this. This sounds really cool. Very short and sweet description. The one thing I would say is take advantage of what you're selling. So it sounds like they push animated videos, help teams sell better and make it more engaging. Throw that in here. See if you can make it into a video, add a video in this message. And if you can, if your product isn't, actually going to play into your prospecting method, here at Mixmax, we're a sales engagement tool, we have enhancements, use that in your email because that's going to catch their attention and see, oh, I'm actually seeing your product work live on me. That's really great. So something to keep in mind is the more times you could use video, the better off you're going to be because it's more engaging, actually puts a face to the name, and it's more personal. It's more personalized for the prospect. But other than that, the short description here, very short and sweet, love it. Last part that I would say is at the very bottom, kind regards, totally fine. The little sign offs, I've seen others that are best. Thanks for the time. Looking forward to connecting. That's a favorite of mine. I would say, like I've always said in the past, always add a calendar link. If it's not going to be here, add it in your signature. So then if there is something relevant here, make it apparent that they can just click and schedule with you. I'm a huge fan of that. Some people may not be so, but hey, some people, if they really like what you're saying and they see value in it, they want to book with you. Give them that opportunity to. So, anyway, really short one today. Appreciate the time. Leave us a comment below. Give us some engagement. Let us know if you're loving these and give us your thoughts on how you can make this email better. We'd love to hear from you. Tune in next time. And until then, have a great one, y'all. Bye.